Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Gyan. So nowadays, for the last 2 days, I heard like in offices and wherever I go, that's I everyone is talking about the ransomware virus, and everyone is afraid of what will happen if there is attack happen. So I thought that if I create a video on this, and so it will be helpful to create awareness in like everyone. So today I like listed out what are the prevention tips for ransomware virus, and how can we like protect our system from the ransomware virus. So first, in first PPT, like here, if you can say this, how ransomware virus works. So first thing, that's when you receive a file in like either an email, either from the URL, and accidentally if you click and you have opened it, it means that you have allowed a malicious code in your system. And once you have the malicious code in your system, how does it first, it will first lock your like command system, and using your encryption facility, window encryption facility, it will encrypt all your like data files with the protected key. And as you know that, so if there is a encrypted file with the like protected password, then we cannot open it without knowing the password. So now if I have to open the like file with the password, so when you try to open that file, then it will pop up a message that and it will ask for the ransom money, and if you don't pay it, then it will not give you key, and finally you will lost your data. And if you pay, then like in 1 hour or 2 or 3 hours, maximum in 4 hours, you will get the key, and you can get your data. So here everyone like running the same question as it was in mind also before knowing that is like, if we are paying the money, how can why the police are means why we cannot trace that location, how why we cannot trace that person. So what is happening, they are using the like cryptocurrency Bitcoin for the payment, which helps them to trace, like which helps hackers to prevent their trace. So like it's like a Swiss bank which allows you to deposit money without your KYC document. So like anyone can go and with the reference ID that and or with a reference ID you can deposit money. The similar way that it works, that's without your identity you can put your money, you can like withdraw money, you can deposit your money. So prevention tips for the ransom virus. So be sure like everyone should keep, everyone should from the right now it should take the backup. What are the crucial file you should take backup regularly with your like storage devices, and keep you separately. And just try to avoid, either you can like configure your means email, if there is any attachment like file extension exe bbsr, so like filter them, so it should not come to you. And don't open, if you visit any like networking sites, social networking sites, so don't visit any like hyperlink which you like which is like, if you think that is a from the unknown sources, and I should not, so you should not open that sites. And also keep updated your system with the latest Java version with the flash player and device. Now I'm going to tell disable bssexe on your system. So in case of like if your system is like get crashed or something, so you know there is a handy tool in the market, that recovery system, how does it works. So there is a bssexe system which prepares a shadow copy in your system. Through that tool, through that file, it get record in case of any such happens. So if you disable today, and if there is any ransomware attacks happen, so ransomware will not be able to encrypt that file. So in such scenario, in bad scenario, you can recover your data if you disable it. And the third thing, the install, in some cases that I got feedback that through the pop-ups it get hacked data, and so install add-on that prevent from the pop-up blockers. And third, the last thing, that disable sharing file system. If you're like, it's a preventive measure. So if somehow your system get like attacked, so it should not go to other system. So like disable the file sharing system, and just follow this, and means you can prevent your systems from the attack of ransomware, and you can safeguard your data. Now so if you think that's my this like presentation and this video is helpful to from is helpful, so please subscribe my channel, and so you in future you can get the like when I will make any such a video, you can get notification. And thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and please provide your comments in the comment box. So thank you.